do it blindfolded, and this is gonna be.
Hopefully we'll do inside bucket, cause
to do it blindfolded, so we won't know how many amounts of activator. We won't know how much anything is.
Whereas the bucket is when it does.
We have to put our plates a little bit front in case we pour anywhere out. Our surface. So yeah, there's gonna be a little bit tricky. That's the one.
So is the paint here?
So now we're blindfolded and we can't see a thing. And
now we're going to start the video.
Can't see. Okay, let's get your stuff right now. No matter if it's not activated, no matter if it's not. Wait. Where are we? Okay, so let's.
What is this? Is that the paint? Oh,
I got paint. My finger in this. Oh, by that I can't. No, this is bad idea.
This is the
Oh my god, I'm scared I don't pour it in the bowl. I feel the glue.
So this is paint, I know it. What am I need my knife. I need the knife.
Or a spoon.
What is this?
Ugh.
Where's the knife? Oh, there it is.
What is this?
Get the knife.
Oh, I got shaving cream.
Here's a paint.
Wait, is this open? Oh, okay.
Now I'm just gonna. What is that?
I don't know. Shaving cream. Is it on top of something? Yep. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that in. I felt it. It feels so good.
I don't care.
It's so thick. Like a spoon.
I didn't pick any.
So guys, for now I have a color and I'm wondering what color.
I don't
And now I
know.
poured in shaving cream. It's going out really good for me.
There.
That's
Now
brown
it's
already.
I know I picked red. I know it. I know it.
Oh yeah, I got activator.
I got red. Oh my god, I'm never gonna find an activator. That's all. I'm gonna start.
I know that. Oh, I poured a lot.
What is this? Don't tell me I got. Wait.
Let me grab my spoon.
Whoever this has glue on it, then who cares? So,
Well, my jewelry's fine.
that's it.
I'm just gonna keep going and like adding whatever pops up to my hand.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just mixing whatever I have in. Is that what I think it is? No.
So mine's is already slime.
I thought it's slime.
How dare you? Stop. No.
I'm looking for the activator. Now
Yours
you
is on your side, girl.
I
Probably.
can't find my activator.
So you're trying
So I
to.
find activator. Yeah. I might have thought of it.
I don't know what color. Like,
There's something in my
I think
eyeballs. I see it so
they're
dark.
so thick.
Oh, did I put something in there?
That's actually
What
good.
is this happening to me? Oh my god. What is this?
I do not like mine so far. It's thick. Not what I expected. Okay.
Amy, that's so hard.
That's the bowl. Crazy.
I don't care whatever I did.
You're probably gonna look.
Something's in my eye. I keep seeing it so dark.
It's probably black.
Right now you're being so mean.
Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize. You said my apology.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure I got red. Did you? What color did you get?
I think I got black because it was near over here. Or
You're
it's probably just
peeking.
white. It's probably just white, probably.
You're peeking because I can see. I can feel you. Like I know that you're peeking. Yes.
Hey, mine's got a little bit stickier. What I wanted.
Done, okay? Should I put my hand?
I love that clink.
And my whole activator is in it.
You added all of it?
No, but I should, right?
No. Mine's already slime like.
Mine, I got cubics. My hands hurt. Why is this happening? I'm tired of mixing.
Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's slime.
How do you know? You're peeking.
Ooh, ooh. Mine's already slime. Feel it.
I can't feel it. It's weird.
See, it's
Ew,
already
that
slime.
feels weird. I don't know. I like it. Did I drop it? Oh no, 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 no.
You dropped it?
By accident.
On the table?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I say. I'm sorry. Okay. I think that's a swirl. Somebody just touched me.
Oh, that was my knife that I put on your spot.
No, on this side, my left or right. I forgot. Wait,
Oh, no, I need help.
this is my right. Yeah, that's my right.
I need help. I need help. When I look at
I think I have your knife.
You do. I put that on your side. Stop.
Where's my spoon?
Can someone unfold me? Please. I need to be unfolded. What is that? Can someone unfold me? I really need to unfold. My son's on the bed. I don't know who's that. Okay, now I need to be unfolded. I'm gonna unfold myself.
No, you can't do that.
But I need to. Are you touching my slime?
Which thing is that?
Me, that's you. Oh my god, stop laughing. I feel so weird about you laughing about me. I don't feel good about that. I'm doing something wrong, am I? I'm so dirty. I'm tired of this. You just splattered something at me.
It was probably my slime.
Stop. It could really get in my hair and then I will get wet. See, I should Huh? Huh?
Your head.
Oh, nope, that's not my bucket. This is my bucket. Get off me. I should have never decided this. I hope I didn't pick the same color as you. I'm gonna try to unfold myself, okay?
No, you can't do that. That's part, you have to do it. It's part of the challenge.
But this is too hard. What if I let this up the wrong?
No.
Okay,
Start mixing in with your hands. With the whole bowl.
That's what I'm doing, and now it's so sticky and it feels like glue. I didn't activate her, did I not? Oh my god, did I? I did not activate her, I think.
Keep mixing.
Are you looking? You're looking, cheater.
No, I'm not. I can't even see anything.
That's it, I need to unfold myself. Come on,
Can't do
somebody.
that. Mix in.
Mix something.
Try again. You probably did an activator and you didn't even know.
How do you know?
Try to mix in. I heard shame cream, so try to mix in with, because shame cream makes slime too, so mix in.
I can't find it.
Just put your hands in.
Oh, this is not shit. I didn't activate her in it.
Keep mixing.
Did someone put shaving cream in my slime? Someone put shaving cream in my slime. Someone put shaving cream in my slime. I wonder.
Okay.
Where's the shaving cream? She keeps dropping this.
Go to your side. Stop touching my side.
I can't find a shaving cream.
I had it near me, so probably have to.
Yeah, next to me. Let's go. Now where is that? Well, there it is. Found it. Here's my bowl.
I need help. Now I'm gonna unfold myself. Here, let me help you. Now I'm gonna unfold and check on my slime that I made.
She was cheating. You're cheating.
I got purple.
I got whatever color I got.
Keep mixing it. You'll find out.
My eyes hurt.
Oh. Mine's a little bit thick.
Ew, mine's got ugly colors.
Like
You're so lucky because you were peeking.
no, I wasn't.
Yeah.
I can't cheat. I can't cheat because yours came out so funny. I think so. This is mine, a beautiful light purple.
No one.
Hey everybody, we have some sound slightly. Okay, so yours looks like a smoothie, like a very good smoothie. I have a little bit too much shaving cream. That's why it's too chunky.
Who, me?
Chunky monkey. So I'm gonna
just keep mixing until it comes out.
add a little bit darker purple. This is gonna be perfect once you see it, please.
You sure?
Yeah. Take a picture of this beautiful USA swirl.
Ew, what is that?
It's the USA swirl.
I messed up. This was so sad. I have to go.
No, it's cute.
Do I need a little bit more time? I think I added too much.
I added too much and then mine is getting really thick. Here, let me help you. Here, let me help you. Because you have a big How easy. Whoa, this feels so good. I know. I'm that serious.
Who will feel my sign every single night?
Yeah, too much champagne makes it like this.
So I think I need a little bit more activator, don't I?
No, more blue.
So we're gonna keep mixing and mixing until our slimes are ready.
Yeah, and mine's. Thank you guys for watching. And comment down below whose slimes feel better.
Mine could be gray and ugly, but trust me, when you feel it, it's gonna feel the.
But mine's is beautiful purple.
And like, comment, and share. And
very clicky.
no, but mine's already clicky. I will keep it. It's actually really cute. Gray.
More blue makes it more softer.
And I know, guys, it came out horrible because someone was adding extra.
I wonder who could it be? I already know who it is.
Couldn't have been me.
It could, but it couldn't. Could it
Because
have?
you were unblindfolded. Because you were cheating.
I wouldn't. Why would I do such
Cheater.
a thing?
I'm like, you would do that and you won't, but I have more
How
time
about
than you.
it could have been you and you don't
I
remember?
have more time than you. So like, comment,
guess
share, and whatever.
whose slime was better? Please comment down below and write whose is the best. Mine, purple's a little bit stretchy.
Gray, pretty, unicorn slime. Oh, and I can make my pink
Rainbow
slime
actually
color
makes
this.
like a brown or grayish color. Well, mine's came out like this. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification, and comment, and share. Bye.
We'll be back to you when our sun's all mixed in.
Yep.